You can chat with Figma to help you generate and refine designs. As with any AI feature, the quality of what you get depends on how you use it. Here are a few best practices to help you get better results faster. Start with clear, specific instructions. The more specific you get, the less AI has to guess, and the better your results will be. For example, instead of saying, "make this better," say, "give this more contrast and a larger heading." If you're unsure how to get more specific, think about your specific needs for layout, space, hierarchy, or visual style. Additionally, try selecting layers for even greater control. Before you prompt, select the exact layer or frame you want to update. This gives the AI agent a clear scope to work within, so instead of changing your entire page, it focuses only on what you've selected. This is especially helpful when you're making small refinements, like adjusting a card, updating a section, or reworking a single component. Designs built with auto layout are much easier for AI to understand and update. When your elements are structured using consistent spacing, alignment, and layout rules, AI can make cleaner, more predictable changes. If your design isn't set up this way yet, you can even ask the agent to apply auto layout before making other edits. Want to learn more about auto layout? Check out our Help Center. AI uses your file as context, including hidden layers. If there are unused elements, old versions, or hidden content that isn't relevant to what you're working on, they can influence the result in unexpected ways. So before prompting, take a moment and remove anything unrelated, or isolate the section you want to work on. This helps AI stay focused and produce more accurate changes. If your file uses a library or design system, AI can draw from those components and styles when generating designs. For best results, include practical, production-ready examples that show how components work together, not just individual base components. The more complete and contextual your system is, the more on-brand and consistent the output will be. As you explore different ideas, it can help to keep separate chat threads for different tasks. To open a new chat thread, click the plus icon from the Agents tab on the left navigation bar. Click the Chats icon to see a list of all chats you have open. This keeps each conversation focused on specific work streams, and it makes it easier to revisit or build on earlier work without losing track of what you were doing. With the right structure and clear prompts, AI in Figma becomes a powerful part of your design workflow. Try one or two of these tips in your next session and see how it feels.